Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to align your text in MS Word. If you want to center align your text in MS Word, then keep watching the complete video. So let's get started and let's learn how to align your text in MS Word. So I will open my MS Word. Now if I want to move this text in the center, then I will go to the center align icon, and when I click on the center align, or I can press short key, which is Control plus E from my keyboard, then it will automatically center align in MS Word. So here you can see that I can easily center align my text by clicking on this center align key. And if I want to center align my text through keyboard, then I can press Ctrl plus E from my keyboard, and it will automatically move at the center in Microsoft Word. So I hope you like this short tutorial. If you want to learn more about MS Word, then keep watching. If you want to learn more about MS Word, please visit our channel and watch our previous videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.